The C2 Repairing Sealant Kit is designed to quickly repair and seal leaking sections of Schedule 10 stainless steel fuel delivery pipes. The following materials are included with each C2 Repairing Sealant Kit. The following extra equipment and materials will be needed. In order to safely work with the C2 Repairing Sealant Kit, proper personal protective equipment, PPE, must be used. Safety glasses or goggles and the provided nitrile gloves must be worn while handling kit materials. Proper surface preparation is critical to ensure a good bond between the repair and reinforcement resins and the pipe. Remove all paint, rust, and surface debris on and around the defective area using the provided sandpaper. Bare metal must be visible before moving on. Use a clean rag and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the newly sanded area. Ensure there is no dust, debris, or residue left behind. Apply degreaser to a clean rag. The rag should be damp but not dripping. Wipe down the defective area and allow the degreaser to sit on the pipe for 10 seconds. Then remove with a clean rag. Use another clean rag and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the degreased area. Ensure no residue is left behind. If residue exists, continue to wipe the area with fresh alcohol until residue is removed. Use a clean mixing stick to mix primer part A until the resin is cream in color and does not look separated. Pour the contents of the primer part A into the primer part B can. Use a mixing stick to mix the primer until the cream color is uniform. Use a paintbrush to apply a thin, even coating of primer on and around the defective area. Allow primer to sit until it is not tacky to the touch. Use a clean mixing stick to stir repair part A until the resin is gray in color and the particles are evenly dispersed. Save the mixing stick. Immediately pour the contents of one part B bottle into the can of repair part A and mix for 30 seconds. Allow the resin to age for 8 minutes or until it has a sticky, putty-like consistency. Apply the resin to the damaged area using your fingers, ensuring that any cracks, holes, or other defects are completely plugged and covered. The repair resin should cover an area that includes not only the defect, but also an area about a quarter inch around the defect. The mixed resin has a working life of 5 to 10 minutes after the aging period. The fiberglass overwrap should be applied immediately following the repair process. This will ensure a good bond between the repair resin and the reinforcement resin. Cut a section of the provided fiberglass so that it completely covers the repaired area and extends beyond the repair about a quarter inch. The fiberglass should be long enough to wrap around the pipe twice. Pour the contents of one Part B bottle into the can of reinforcement Part A and mix with a clean mixing stick for 30 seconds until the resin turns opaque. Use paintbrush to apply a thin layer of reinforcement resin on the repair as well as all the way around the diameter of the pipe. The mixed resin has a working life of 10 to 15 minutes after mixing in Part B. Apply the fiberglass over the resin-covered area and smooth down with your fingers, ensuring there are no air bubbles between the fiberglass and the pipe. Use the remaining resin to completely cover the applied fiberglass. Once the repair is complete, wait 1 hour before re-pressuring the fuel system.